We're National Hardware. When it comes to your living space, we have one goal: transforming a house into your home. It doesn't take a major renovation to make a major difference. We've got everything you need to highlight your walls, to live with convenience, and organize with maximum storage solutions. Because after all, it's the things you notice and the subtle things you don't. A unique touch that makes a world of difference to happily bring your space together. It's those decorative finishes that get you excited to kick up your feet and start truly living in a space you feel a part of. National Hardware. Welcome home.